Come cook dinner with me.
Step 1. Jazz. Go! Ingredients. Mac and cheese. Take that out. No! Forget about it. Bowl. Mac. Into the bowl.
Now time to water.
Microwave. 3. Stir time.
Back it goes.
3. Again.
It's time.
Time to strain. Burning my fingers. Oh no. Now we're extra fancy in this household, so we're gonna get butter. And a dash of milk. That was way too much. The final piece. Sprinkle the cheese. All of the cheese. Can't forget flavor. You wait there. Time for sides. Give me some of that pretzel action. And of course, sandwich cookies. Oh, and don't think I forgot. Applesauce. Clean up. Time to eat. Got the most important thing. The mac and cheese.
That was surely a chaotic one. Hope you enjoyed, and now I get to see if this thing's edible, so swipe.